blow out the candle just by using your sound? Jivika, come, give it a try. She has 2 chances to blow out the candle using only her sound. Let's see if she can do it.
I've got this.
Go.
I'm going low pitch.
Okay. No. Try again. See.
I'm going high pitch this time.
Still no. You lost the chances. But what if I tell you? It can be blown out by sound. So, to blow out the candle is actually possible. But we humans cannot make that sound. So, mobile applications can create that sound. That's what we're going to be doing today. So, see guys, it's extinguishing.
Wow, that's so impressive.
I know.
Did you use it? Actually, it happened.
Yeah. So don't say now that phones have fans. What really happened is when sound is set at a perfect frequency, it can emit oxygen. And that's why the candle slowly but surely extinguished. You want to see it again? Let's do it again. See, it's happening slowly, but it's happening. See, it happened. You know why? Again, the same reason applies. But there is a certain frequency for different candles. For mine, it has to be higher frequency. For yours, maybe it could be lower. It depends on the candle also. So I hope you understand the science and had some fun in that day. Bye! Make sure to watch some more videos and learn science in a fun way. This is JJFuntime signing out.